Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a really great plugin called FlowPaper, which is a flipbook maker. It will help you convert your PDF files into beautiful and aesthetic flipbooks. So yeah, let's get started. So as mentioned, FlowPaper is a flipbook maker, and it helps convert your PDF files, including like catalogs, brochures, or magazines, into a beautiful and realistic flipbook. Okay, so let's see an example. Here we have it. This is a beautiful example, and you'll be able to create one of these using FlowPaper, and I'll show you how. Okay, for that, let's head to our WordPress dashboard and go to plugins. You need to install FlowPaper and click activate first of all. And then head to media, add new media file, select your file. It has to be PDF, for example this one. And then you have to copy the URL, okay, and head to posts, add new post. And then you have to paste it here, just like this. And we have to convert this into a shortcode, but first off, we need to head to our plugins again, find FlowPaper, and copy this part right here. Okay, and then add a new block, shortcode, and paste it here. But we have to change this part first with our URL. Just copy this, and then go ahead and paste it here, just like that. And then go ahead and publish it. And then view post. Okay. And here you have it. For example, this is a MailChimp guide, but you can go ahead and create like a flipbook using other brochures or like catalogs. Okay. See, this is really beautiful and aesthetic. Okay, so let me show you what other features it has and the pricing plans it offers. Okay, so here we have our free version. I just demonstrated it to you guys, and design pricing plan, the creative plan, and enterprise plan. Here, the free version offers you like desktop and mobile friendly interface. You can use one publisher workstation, FlowPaper branding, cloud hosting, and many other things. And here we have design pricing plan. It helps you create flipbooks with design template and keep your publications forever. And this is a one-time fee for like $75. And it includes 1 year free access to FlowPaper services, which includes upgrades and cloud hosting. And also you can choose to publish to like 1, 2, 3 or unlimited domains, which is great. And you can create unlimited publications, no FlowPaper logo, no ads, etc. And here we have our creative plan. You can create web publications with design, plus it adds elements and you can keep them forever. And this is all for $85 for 6 months. And you can also purchase the annual plan for $145 and you can save 50%. You can publish to unlimited domains and you can use different publisher workstations here. You can choose them, and it also has no FlowPaper logo, no ads, self-hosting, and many other great features. And it also has no login. You can end your subscription at any time and keep your publications forever, which is great. And here we have our enterprise plan. You can create apps and web publications with design, plus it adds elements and you can keep them forever. This is billed annually and it is for $995. Here you can also publish to unlimited domains, use 20 of publisher workstations. You can create unlimited publications. It has many other great features. You can go ahead and check them out. It also has no login, so you can end your subscription at any time and keep your publications forever as well. So yeah, that's it. Just go ahead and try them out and see which one suits you best. So yeah, that's how you can convert your PDF files into beautiful flipbooks using FlowPaper. Don't forget to give us thumbs up, hit that subscription button and bell button not to miss out on any upcoming content. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye!